learning about unit rates and ratios, and also how we can compare the rates. So first, let's get started with what a ratio is. Say we have 3 circles and we have 2 squares. Then you can think the ratio of circles to squares is 3/2, because for every 3 circles there are 2 squares. That's exactly what a ratio is. Although it might seem useless in this hypothetical situation, it can be very useful in real life. For example, if 3 tickets cost $1.54, then how much does each ticket cost? Well, you can think of it as a ratio. The fraction of tickets to dollars is going to be $54 over 3 tickets, which simplifies to $18 for every ticket. Notice how I just simplified the fraction which was there on hand. Very similar things can be done. For example, let me give you an example. Let's say 210 miles take 3 hours. Then how many miles can you drive in an hour? Please pause the video and try to figure this out. Okay, so then you think, same strategy. You write 210 miles, and then we divide by 3 hours. Then this fraction can be simplified into 70 miles per hour. So very easy to do, right? So now we learned what a ratio is, then how to do unit rate, which is like compute the rate of two quantities. And now finally we're going to be learning about rate comparison. Let's say we want to figure out something about driving a car. Who drives faster? Let's say one person drives 60 miles in 6 hours, and the other person decides to travel 75 miles in 15 hours. Who do you think drove faster? Well, what you can do is you can compute the ratio for both of them. So person 1 and person 2. So person 1 will take 60 miles over 6 hours, which comes out to 10 miles over hour. Whereas person 2 will take 75 miles over 15 hours and become 5 miles per hour when simplifying. Now that we have rates for both people, it's easy to see that person 1 goes at a faster rate than person 2. This is an example of rate comparison. Now that we understand how to do rate comparison, how to compute ratios, and how to find the unit rate, I think we're all set for this. You can practice the worksheet which comes out in the class, and happy solving. Thank you for listening.